So you got the $2,000 there. That's awesome. But how do you keep that momentum going after you get that first deal?
Now I got money, right? So I got money now. And so being that I got money, I can do one of these a direct mail campaign and not drive a dollar. So what I did, I got the code enforcement list, and I mailed out that list. Sent it to a mail house and mailed it out. No, I think I started out writing it out and mailed it out and started doing deals off the code enforcement list, the boarded up homes list, the demolition list. All right. So let me explain that. Boarded up homes, right? What that is those are houses that are boarded up. So when you board up a house, you have to alert the city. So it's not exactly the city, but like the police report, and police department, they put you on some type of some list that your house is boarded up, so an extra police presence can be around there. All right. Demolition lists are houses that were set to be demoed by the city. So in Mecklenburg County, where I'm at, if the city determines the amount of repair exceeded the tax value of the house, they would move it over to a demolition list to knock it over. And I would go after those people and I would wholesale that. Man, those sellers were so easy to get back then, man. Yeah, I did pretty good off that. Me and my partner Lori here in Charlotte at that time.
Okay. Quick question on the marketing side here. The last one I really have, and then we'll piggyback on what you just said there. Overall, if you like in your marketing right now, you're consistently getting over 3-5+ deals. Right now, how are you consistently doing it with the amount of money you have now?
Oh, easy. I'm in a place. I've been blessed, right? So all praises due. I've been blessed. So what I do, I pull the whole county. So now I got the whole county data, and I'm just hitting them up because this marketing, like this new age marketing, man, is so cheap. I don't see why people don't go after everybody. I just go after. Hey, look, I'm going after the whole county and all the absentee owners. They fit this criteria. We going after them. Let's go.
No problem. Yeah, guys, data is so important in your business right now. I'm telling you right now, GeoPoint's a really good one. I recommend PropStream too. That's another good one, but they're all really good like sources of actually getting deals. But overall, I think the marketing, when it comes to that, the data is basically everything in it. So really to transition into the next part here, which thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.